The Sound Ideas recording crew rented some heavy-duty equipment and set out to destroy a slew of vehicles in the name of recording car crash effects. We dropped huge rocks on cars, trucks, and vans to capture the unmistakable sound of crumpling metal. We even dropped the cars themselves to create a unique impact sound. And this was nothing new for our engineers, who almost 20 years earlier had recorded a crew of stunt drivers performing all kinds of stunts and maneuvers. And whether we're dropping cars from the sky or just at the racetrack, Sound Ideas goes to extremes to get the sounds we need.